I hope you all are doing well. So I just wanted to share with y'all, I just came back inside from picking some fresh parsley, some celery, and some cilantro that we're going to use in a green juice that I'm making. I grew some cayenne pepper and was drying it, and I'm going to use a pinch. I'm not going to use the whole thing, just a pinch with this, with these green apples. But this is what I wanted to tell y'all. I can't grow everything, not right now. I am going to grow some apples, and we are going to be adding fruit, but I still can grow something. And I encourage you this year to also grow something. You don't have to overwhelm yourself. I always tell people, grow something you like, or start off with one thing. Like, start off with an herb that you like, and you grow that and you nurture that. It feels so good to just be able to walk out to my backyard and harvest what I need when I need it. I don't have to buy a whole big thing and let most of it go bad, which is, I'm guilty of it too. Like, if I buy a bulk of herbs, I only need a little bit. And so when I grow it, I can pick off exactly how much I need and let the others continue to grow. So I encourage you to start with one thing you like, or start with one herb. Start with one herb that you like and grow that. I mean, it's just such a feeling of gratitude when you're able to go out and just be able to pick something that you've grown. And y'all always know, I tell you, you knew how you grew it, you knew what you did to it, and you knew what you put on it. So that is it's just amazing. So just wanted to give you that, and I hope that you follow us along on our journey. We got some great seeds that we're starting, and I can't wait to share everything with you all.